So if I were to go around and click on the plus button right here and go to, let's say for example, task title and say something like email the attachments right here, just like this, then this may not be in a certain time that is required, but rather a checklist. In that case, you can simply send it to inbox right here, set the duration of the time as well for the inbox, and click on create task. Once you do that, you can actually access the task from the inbox right here. Apart from this, to add in checklist right here, you can also go around onto the inbox and add in some things. Like, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say check phone messages right here, just like this. Press enter, and then you simply have this particular message. You can say check food list right here, just like this. Press enter, and then it goes to the inbox right here. Yeah, so this is what you can do. So you can create, click on the plus button, go to inbox, or directly go to the inbox and then access this out, as you can see right here, to create a checklist as needed. And that is how you can utilize the inbox in Structured as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.